Get it done better and faster with Floors Plus.
Okay, everybody, this is Rob again at Floors Plus, Nixa in Springfield, Missouri. Today, I just want to kind of clear up some things about LVP, luxury vinyl plank, or luxury vinyl tile, okay? In my last video, if you go back and look, we talked about the Titan product. Titan's the thick, heavy-duty, top-of-the-line product, okay? Most people don't want to spend $6 to $8 on plank, so there is another way to go about that. The difference, I really just want to more or less talk about the thicknesses. This product is what I call kind of an entry-level thickness. This is like a 5mm thick, attached pad on the back, nice looking product, 12mm wear layer. Good product for the money, hold up pretty well. The problem is, if you go with really thin stuff, what you run into is if you don't have a perfect subfloor, then there's a very good chance that you're gonna break it on your click system can break. I don't know if you can see this click system here. See how that is? This part can break off and make it pop up over time. So we typically, when we do an install, we try to make sure we fill in all the low spots with float or Ardex and get it good and level. But instead of going with the top of the line, you can go to a happy medium like this product. See, the thickness of this is quite a bit thicker, okay, than this. So if you compare these two to each other, big difference. Now, the reason you would go with this thickness versus the other thickness is because you want it to be more structurally sound. Yes, this has a 20mm wear. This is a product called Pantheon, made by Shaw, and it's an 8mm thick, not 5 or 4.5mm. It's got the attached pad. So what I'm saying is, if you don't have a perfect subfloor, you really don't want to go with the real thin stuff, because you're likely in the long term, you're going to have some breakage on your click system. So the reason you go with a thicker product is for the structure, the sound, the feel of it, the solidness. And that's really why we recommend a step up from your entry levels. Yeah, a lot of the big box stores sell this stuff for $1.99 or whatever, but I'm telling you, you're buying really thin stuff that is not going to be a long-term floor for you. You know, we try to sell you a product that's a long-term floor. So to summarize what we're saying today is, thin is not always bad, because you still got a good wear layer, but you got to have a perfect subfloor. But if you go with a little bit thicker product, like an 8mm or even a 6 or 7mm product, you're going to get a thicker product that's less likely to break at your click system. So again, just to let everybody know, that's why you have thicker and thinner products. Because people come in and go, well, why is this one $5.99 and this one's $2.99? Well, look at the thickness. Well, it's double the thickness. So yes, it's going to be more money. Well, what's good about thicker? Well, the thicker product is less likely to break on a click system. It's more structurally sound, feels like more solid, and you don't have to have that perfect subfloor. So the hint of today is, don't always buy the thin stuff, because it looks good for a little while, but then it starts breaking, the click comes apart. Now, everything we sell actually has a patented click system. So what we try to sell people is a product that's going to be a long-term solution, not a short-term solution. Yeah, there's times I know people buy these flip houses and they want the cheapest thing they can put in them. I understand that, and that's the way they got to do it. But again, if you're doing your own personal house, get something that's in the middle of the road. Even spend $3.99 instead of spending $1.99 or $2.99. Spend $3.99 or $4.99. Get a thicker, heavier duty product that's going to last for you. And I recommend the Pantheon product by Shaw. There's several colors in it. It's an 8mm thick. We actually sell it for $4.99, which is probably cheaper than anybody because we buy it in bulk. That's our solution for LVT or LVP products. And have a great day, and come buy your new floors.